Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G34 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And let me quickly maybe apply the grid lines because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So we've got the grid lines. After resetting the options, they should disappear. So we have to enter the settings in the right upper corner, tap on About, and then tap on Reset. Let's tap on Reset. Okay, now we can go back. And as you can see, the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.